going over our top 10 gadgets to help you keep your RV organized. Our first gadget would have to be these leveling blocks. They look like grown-up Legos, but they are so great at helping you get your RV leveled, especially if you're boondocking it. But we've even used them in campsites, just when things aren't exactly level and you need to lift one side or the other of your RV. We happen to have automatic levelers on our RV, but we still find this convenient to use if we're out in someplace soft and those levelers tend to sink. We can also put these under the levelers just to give them some added stability, and they store super easily. They just stack together like Legos, and we keep them all in this storage bin and then store them in an outside compartment in our RV, and it keeps that space a little bit more organized. Once you think your RV is fairly level, you can go inside your RV and open any door, and if that door doesn't slam open or shut one way or the other, you'll know that your RV is fairly level. We also pack a small level, which I find works better than even the door method. Once your RV's level, you're gonna wanna go around and chalk all your tires. We love these tire chalks because they're small, but yet they get the job done and they're easy to store. We keep those in the same bin that we keep our leveling blocks in. Then we store all the bins together in this one compartment so that all of the items for leveling are in the same general area. For outside, we love this extra large mat. It helps keep so much more dirt outside than bringing it inside, which means less sweeping on the inside of the RV. In an RV, space is always an issue. We love this folding trash can. We can keep it outdoors and we don't have to use space inside the RV. Now remember, I know it's obvious, but you're not gonna wanna use something like this if you're camping in bear country. It folds flat and the sides snap together. For easy storage, we just store it in our RV next to where we keep our patio chairs. These small drawers from Walmart have been a lifesaver here in our game cupboard. We used to have dice and things just rolling around in the cupboard as we were driving down the road, and it drove us insane. And these little drawers keep all that organized. We store all of our card games in here, as well as the small things you need like scissors, tape, pens, pencils, extra batteries for remote, dice. Well, you get the idea. So this drawer actually came as a 3-drawer set, but it wouldn't fit in here, so we just removed one section of drawers. I love command hooks in my house. I use them all the time. But in the RV, I love the command strips. They're the Velcro strips, and these are perfect for attaching things that I want to use to make our RV feel a little bit more like home. So I use it to attach pictures, either to the walls or to a flat surface. I've also attached this plant with the double-sided Velcro command strip. They're super easy to remove and yet strong enough to withstand traveling down the road, which is similar to going through a 3.0 earthquake. I've also used the Velcro command to attach our paper towel holder to the wall here. And like I said, it's strong enough to even withstand going down the road. In our cupboards, I love these stacking shelves. They add so much extra storage room. They're perfect to help organize a small space. I also use the command Velcro strip to attach this to our cupboard door. We use it to store all of those grocery sacks, which I then use to line the trash in our RV bathroom. Those are my top 10 RV gadgets. In the comment section below, let me know your top gadget. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.